We're in the Ford, going to the 4x4 swap meet at the Puyallup Showgrounds. And as you can see down there, we got some trucks. Then we're in the truck.
More trucks.
Got some trucks up there.
Front, trucks in back.
Got a whole very long line of trucks. Yep, so we're gonna go check out some 4x4 stuff. Maybe get something for the Ford, who knows. Maybe something for the Element. Maybe something for the 4Runner. We got a lot of options. Maybe someone will leave us a note and want to buy the truck for way more than we bought it for. We were thinking about putting a for sale sign on it. Putting it up way more than we bought it for because of the modifications and stuff. Makes it a lot more valuable than it currently is, and it's cleaned up well, and we got it for a good deal. So, but we're just here to check it out. We have quite a bit of cash between all three of us. We've kind of been waiting for this, so we'll see what happens.
Wow.
Hey, we got 15. There's your engine, Dad. Cold out here. Hey, look. Hey, Chance, look. First gen 4Runner. For sale. He's got a bumper on it, too. I wonder how much he wants for that.
Oh, there's the K truck.
Right.
That's cool.
That's so cool.
Checking it out.
Oh, look at those. This old Toyota next to it. It's cool. It's John Deere thing. I actually kind of dig it. It's tractor tires. Hey, did you notice that? Chance. It's got tractor tires on it.
Yeah.
So I can go through anything. Don't think I've seen one of these in person ever. How about you, Chance? You seen an old patrol like this ever? Dad, have you ever seen one of these in person? I've never. I thought it was a Toyota from a distance.
Yeah, it is.
It's pretty cool. There's the specs. It's pretty cool. These are cool. I like how old off-road trucks. Yeah, I did.
That's like in Fast and Furious when they're stealing the.
It's got the winch
tanker.
Our winch is bigger than that winch. That's crazy.
You sure?
It looks like it.
You guys gotta put that on.
Yeah. These are kind of cool. Feels cleaner. I'd like one of these someday. Go. Oh, it's a 5-speed.
Scrape the windshield.
151,000 miles.
1.6.
4250.
1.3 liter.
Damn. cool. It's a lot of turbos. Yep.
Look at that.
Cool Chevrolet Apache. This guy from Maple Valley we were talking to inside. BBM, Badland bumpers. Extreme metal fabrication. Talking to him about this rig inside, and here it is. Pretty sweet. It's a tow rig.
See you, buddy.
Of course, Toyota. Hi, it's a cool truck. Love Land Cruisers.
What's pretty cool about it is she built it.
Oh, you did?
Not me.
Oh,
I
wow.
would have done something like that, but I have done that.
Very cool. What year is it? 66? Looks awesome. What engine? Okay, cool. Yeah. It's okay. I know a lot of them plenty. That's so cool. It's also a Land Cruiser.
Thank you.
He said it was 66?
Yeah.
So cool.
It's got 78 running except for transmissions.
Love the paint job too.
It's the Krylon touch.
It's awesome.
So yeah.
No, I like it. It's really cool. Yeah. Wonder what year this is.
7? The VIN would give it away. There's a blog over there. 82.
It's 82?
Yeah.
I wonder what Marty's was. Really?
Yeah. It's just floor and then ground.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I thought you meant there's no floor. It's a nice truck. Toyo MTs, 37s, all the good stuff. It's got 37s on it.
Yep.
Maybe I go like this. Same gear. Of course, it's cold. You gotta look at that green light. I thought it was in the mid.
I got you.
And this red light's for the high beam when you get the bike. Big feet out of it.
On our way back to the Trailmaster 90. I think we might be picking this baby up. It's a 1970.
Oh, let's wait. That just takes it back in.
It's pretty sweet. I love these damn bikes. Honda, of course.
Now it's in gear. Now it's in gear. Oh, that light.
So like I was saying, we found our way back to the Trail 90 Honda, of course, in this beautiful color of red. They said the whole engine's been gone through, rods and pistons, all that stuff. So it fires up. Let's see if Chance knows how to fire it up, because I don't at this point. Oh, I thought he was gonna fire it up. We'll figure that out later. He said it's really low on gas right now, and he's fired up in reserve. So
Dude, this is a super rad bike, man.
don't crash me.
I'll try not to.
Don't crash me.
I'll try not to.
Don't crash me.
Quit leading.
Don't crash me.
Where'd we park?
I don't remember. Down here somewhere.
Oh yeah, because we passed this Toyota. Yep, we're right there. That's awesome.
Hell yeah. You didn't crash me.
Didn't crash you. Got her loaded up in the back. Just bought some ratchet straps at the show.
I don't know if we've shown you guys the new wheels and tires we got on the truck too.
Yeah, new wheels and tires.
Got the
Those are the
35s
wheels
up
that we polished up, that we picked off OfferUp or Craigslist. Yeah, OfferUp. Yep, she's ready to come home. What? Yeah. First kick.
Alright guys, you saw us get the bike. We had it in the trailer with the new wheels and tires. Now we're going to take it out and just mess around with it for a little bit before we throw it in the garage. Do a couple rips on it, but that'll probably do for the end of the video. Make sure to click subscribe, hit the notification bell, future videos, hit like, drop a comment if you want to see more on the bike. Thanks for watching.